हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ओमनी ज्ञान। मेरे चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान में आप सब लोगों का फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे आई विल टेल यू द स्टोरी द वाइट नाइट्स बाय फ्योडोर दोस्टोएव्स्की, and he's one of the most famous writers, and the story is so emotional. Okay. um, uh, there is romance in the story, but the story is so emotional and heart touching that I definitely know that all of you will like the story very much. आप सबको ये कहानी बहुत पसंद आएगा। ठीक है, तो without wasting any further time, let us see the story, learn the story. Okay. So the story is about what? Okay. So The White Knights is actually a short story about a lonely young dreamer who lives alone in Saint Petersburg. अब यहाँ पे here the central character, the main character, the hero of our story, he does not have any name. Okay, the writer deliberately did not give any name to our hero. Why? This is a way of storytelling also, plus the character, the hero. Okay, the hero here, at the end I will tell you why exactly the name of the character, the name of the hero has not been given. He is just called a dreamer. ठीक है, तो राइटर जो है इनको सिर्फ एक ड्रीमर कहता है। ये एक लोनली यंग ड्रीमर है जो अकेले रहता है। ही स्टेज अलोन इन सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग. Okay. Now he meets a young woman, and the name of the woman is Nastenka. Okay, during 4 unusual summer nights. तो ये कहानी जो है, ये कहानी 4 nights की है, 4 रातों की कहानी है. First night what happened, second night what happened, third night what happened, fourth night what happened, and next morning the last part of the story, and the story ends. ठीक है. Now first, when this young man meets Nastenka, every character's name is there, only our hero's name is not there. Okay, so we will call him Dreamer. Somewhere in the story you will find narrator also. Okay, so narrator, Dreamer. ठीक है. अब he falls in love with Nastenka, and their friendship slowly turns into love, but the story ends very sadly. तो ये हमारा जो नैरेटर है, आवर हीरो फॉल्स इन लव विथ दिस गर्ल कॉल नास्टेनका. ओके, बट इट टर्न्स आउट टू बी, देयर इज अ कंफ्यूजन. Our hero feels that Nastenka also loves him very much, and there is a point in the story जहाँ पे आप देखेंगे where you will see that Nastenka also is going to confess her love towards the dreamer, towards the narrator. ठीक है, लेकिन अंत में स्टोरी के एंड में क्या होता है, दैट वी विल लर्न. ओके, नाउ वी विल लर्न द स्टोरी इन डिटेल. ओके, इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी शॉर्ट वीडियो, 15 मिनट्स का वीडियो होगा, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं. ठीक है, तो बहुत छोटा कहानी है, आप सब लोगों को बहुत मज़ा आएगा ये पढ़ के. ठीक है, तो हम देखते हैं. तो फर्स्ट नाइट. ओके, द फर्स्ट नाइट इज द मीटिंग व्हेन द ड्रीमर, व्हेन द नैरेटर फर्स्ट मीट्स नास्टेनका. So the narrator is a lonely young man who spends most of his time dreaming and walking alone around Saint Petersburg. तो हमारा नैरेटर एक बहुत लोनली यंग मैन है. ही इज़ अ वेरी लोनली यंग मैन. ही डज नॉट हैव एनी वन एक्सेप्ट फॉर वन मेड सर्वेंट एट होम, मैट्रियोना. ठीक है, एंड ही स्पेंड्स मोस्ट ऑफ हिज टाइम ड्रीमिंग एंड वॉकिंग अलोन इन द स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग. ठीक है, वो बिल्कुल अकेला है और वो बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रीम करता है, और वो सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग के स्ट्रीट पे अकेले चलता है रात को. ओके, बिकॉज एट नाइट टाइम nobody is there on the street. Okay, so he walks freely on the street alone. So he has no close friends and lives in his own imaginary world. तो हमारे narrator का कोई दोस्त नहीं है. He does not have any close friend, and he lives in his own imaginary world. Okay, he just dreams and dreams, and at night he walks alone. ठीक है. Now one night during his usual walk, he was walking near a canal. He sees a young woman. तो उसने एक यंग लेडी को देखा. लेडी का नाम क्या था? व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ द लेडी? नास्टेनका. एंड दिस गर्ल वाज क्राइंग, दिस लेडी वाज क्राइंग. नाउ ही नोटिसेस दैट शी इज फ्राइटेंड एंड फॉलोज हर फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस. तो उसने देखा दैट दिस गर्ल इज वेरी अफ्रेड ऑफ समथिंग. ये लड़की किसी चीज को देख के डर रही है, और वो दूर से जो है देख रहा है. एंड देन ही कम्स नियर नास्टेनका. ओके, नैरेटर कम्स नियर नास्टेनका. Now what happens is that a man was standing there and he was trying to bother her. ठीक है, एक आदमी खड़ा था वहाँ पे, and he was bothering eve teasing this girl Nastenka. So the narrator comes, our hero comes, okay, and helps her. Now they start to talk. They begin talking. तो हमारा dreamer जो है, our narrator and this girl Nastenka, they start talking. Now while talking, Nastenka tells him that she is waiting for someone and she had been expecting a young man whom she loves, but he has not returned as promised. तो ये लड़की जो है Nastenka, she says that I love somebody and I'm waiting for my lover, and my lover is a young man, and he has gone somewhere and he promised to return, but he has not returned yet, and he has not contacted me also for a long time. बहुत दिन हो गए मेरे लवर ने मुझे कांटेक्ट नहीं किया और मैं उससे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ, तो मैं इसके लिए इंतज़ार कर रही हूँ. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर हिम टू रिटर्न. Now you see the narrator becomes interested in her and promises to help her. Now one thing let me tell you, that this girl is also very lonely, just like our narrator. तो हमारे narrator के जैसे ये लड़की भी जो है वो lonely है बहुत, इसका कोई नहीं है, ठीक है, और इसका लवर भी इसको छोड़ के चला गया, and there is no guarantee whether her lover will return back or not. So the narrator becomes interested in her and promises to help her. So he starts talking to her. ओके तो दोनों जो है उनकी फ्रेंडशिप हो गए. ओके, बोथ ऑफ देम फॉर्म द फ्रेंडशिप, उन दोनों के बीच फ्रेंडशिप हो गया और दोनों जो है बहुत इंटरेस्टेड हो गए बातचीत करने के लिए. तो एवरी नाइट दे प्रॉमिस दैट वी विल मीट अगेन नेक्स्ट नाइट. सो दे अग्री टू मीट अगेन द नेक्स्ट नाइट. तो वो लोग डिसाइड करते हैं कि नेक्स्ट नाइट हम फिर से हम मीट करेंगे. अब सेकेंड नाइट नास्टेनका टेल्स अबाउट हर ओन स्टोरी, उसकी खुद की कहानी बताती है. The narrator meets Nastenka again and she asks him to tell her about himself. Okay. Now, सबसे पहले Nastenka asks the narrator that tell me about yourself, let me know more about you. So, narrator explains that I am a dreamer and I have spent years living more in my imagination than in real life. तो narrator ने कहा कि मैं एक ड्रीमर हूँ और मैं जो हूँ इतने सालों से मैं सिर्फ इमेजिनेशन के वर्ल्ड में रहता हूँ. ओके, एंड आई हैव वेरी फ्यू रिलेशंस विद अदर पीपल, सो आई एम बेसिकली अ लोनली मैन. तो मैं बेसिकली एक लोनली मैन हूँ. देन द नैरेटर आस्क्स यू ऑल्सो टेल अबाउट योर स्टोरी. ठीक है, नस्टेनका से पूछा कि तुम भी अपनी कहानी बोलो. तो नस्टेनका सेज दैट आई लिव विथ माई ब्लाइंड ग्रैंड मदर who is very strict and protective. And when Nastenka was young, a young man became a lodger in their house. So Nastenka says that actually I live with my blind grandmother and she is a very strict lady and very protective lady. And when I was young, जब मैं छोटी थी, when I was young, a young man had come, एक बहुत ही young लड़का हमारे घर पे भाड़ा रहने के लिए आया था. Young man had come, become a lodger in our house. And I fell in love with that man. So Nastenka fell in love with that man only. And this is the very man who went outside leaving St. Petersburg and has not returned back. And Nastenka is waiting for this man only. ठीक है. Now the young man eventually left St. Petersburg. ठीक है, ये जो उसका Nastenka की old lover है. Okay, this old lover left St. Petersburg, but this man had promised to return after 1 year. The year has now passed and Nastenka is still waiting for him. तो ये यंग मैन जो है ये सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग छोड़ने से पहले इसने प्रॉमिस किया था नस्टेनका को. ही हैड प्रॉमिस्ड नस्टेनका दैट आई विल रिटर्न आफ्टर 1 year, बट यू सी 1 year हैज ऑलरेडी पास्ड एंड नस्टेनका इज स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर हिम, बट देयर इज नो कम्युनिकेशन फ्रॉम हर ओल्ड लवर. उसके ओल्ड लवर से कोई कम्युनिकेशन नहीं है. Okay, at that time there were no telephones and all. Letter was the only means of communication, so there was no letter since the 1 year. And now Nastenka is confused whether her lover will return back or not. Now this is the third night, so again on the third night they meet. Now the narrator falls in love here. So the narrator and Nastenka continue meeting. Why? You see, narrator is also lonely, Nastenka is also lonely, so this loneliness makes them come closer. ये loneliness दोनों को close लाते हैं. और okay, now the narrator has fallen deeply in love with her. और narrator को इस लड़की से प्यार हो गया, बहुत deep गहरा प्यार हो गया. However, Nastenka sees him mainly as a good and trustworthy friend. अब Nastenka जो है वो कहती है नैरेटर से दैट वी आर जस्ट फ्रेंड्स. ये every girl says this, we are just friends, right? So Nastenka उससे कहती है कि we are just friends, but I cannot love you because I am waiting for my old lover. But yes, Nastenka tells narrator that I am grateful for your kindness, that you came, you helped me out. One man was bothering me. फर्स्ट नाइट को तुम आए, तुमने मेरी मदद की, इसके लिए बहुत शुक्रिया. एंड द क्वालिटी टाइम दैट वी आर स्पेंडिंग, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी मेमोरेबल. ओके, बट आई कैनॉट लव यू. We can just remain good friends. That's it. Okay, not more than that. Because she was still waiting for her former lover. वो अपनी old lover के लिए still वो wait कर रही थी. Okay, right? Now the narrator tries to hide his feelings because he does not want to hurt or destroy their friendship. अब नैरेटर जो है, देखो नैरेटर जो है, नैरेटर ने प्रपोजल नहीं दिया. नैरेटर डिड नॉट गिव प्रपोजल और डिड नॉट कन्फेस हिज फीलिंग्स टू नस्टेनका. बट नस्टेनका ने पहले ही वार्निंग दे दिया ये. ओके, नस्टेनका had given him an advance warning, only a type of a warning, that see, we meet together every night, but that does not mean that I love you. We can be good friends, not more than that. Okay, so the narrator does not share his feelings with Nastenka, that he loves Nastenka very much, because he does not want to hurt or destroy their friendship. So friendship खो जाएगा, friendship will be lost. At least the friendship, at least the time that they are spending every night, that moment will be lost. So the narrator does not tell anything to Nastenka. Now Nastenka becomes hopeful that the man she loves will return, because Nastenka is hopeful that the man whom I love will return one day. She even asks the narrator to help her communicate with him. अब देखो ये बात, students, you see this thing that Nastenka is taking the help of the narrator, that please help me out to communicate with my lover so that I can get him back in my life. Now the narrator agrees. The narrator, our hero, the dreamer, okay, he agrees that I will help you to communicate with your lover. But inside it causes him great pain, because ultimately he loves Nastenka, right? But Nastenka is waiting for her old lover. तो हर हालत में जो है, in any way you see, our hero, the narrator, our dreamer, is a very good and kind human being. He wants to help Nastenka in whatever ways it can, even if it meant sacrifice also. So he promises to help Nastenka to communicate with her lover, but inside he is hurt. ठीक है, inside जो है वो बहुत hurt होता है. Now the fourth and the last night. अब झटका यहाँ पे लगने वाला है. The झटका is going to be here, you see. On the fourth night, Nastenka is extremely sad because her lover has still not appeared. So Nastenka is waiting for a lover, but lover, even on the fourth night also, lover has not appeared. No communication was there from her ex-lover. Okay, not ex actually, from her old lover. Now the narrator finally confesses that he loves her. तो अब narrator भी confident है that Nastenka's old lover will not return. So let me share my feelings with Nastenka. So finally he proposes Nastenka. Finally he confesses his love to Nastenka, that I love you very much. Now Nastenka is surprised, but begins to understand his feelings, and she feels that he genuinely cares for him. अब Nastenka थोड़ी सी वो सरप्राइज थी. Suddenly narrator ने उसको proposal दिया. But you see that since 1 year her old lover had not returned. Who knows, her old lover might have fallen in love with somebody else and somewhere else. So now you see she begins to understand the feelings of the narrator. Because every night the narrator had been meeting, the narrator helped her formally. So Nastenka feels that the narrator genuinely loves her and genuinely cares for her. So for a moment it seems, अगर आप कहानी पढ़ेंगे, if you, the story is not very big, okay, it's a very thin book, not very fat one also, okay, around 80-90 pages, okay. If you read the book you will get more that feel, okay. Now for a moment it seems that Nastenka may choose the narrator. एक moment के लिए लगता है कि Nastenka जो है इस narrator को choose कर सकती है, इस narrator को yes बोल सकती है. Alright, because her old lover had not returned. Okay, she tells him that perhaps she can love him. Now, she tells the narrator that maybe I can love you, maybe it can be an yes. Okay, and the narrator becomes extremely happy. Okay, narrator बहुत खुश हो जाता है जब Nastenka tells him that yes, I also can love you. Now the two become very happy and begin imagining a future together. अब दोनों बहुत खुश हैं. Nastenka is also happy because her old lover had not returned. Our narrator dreamer is also very happy because Nastenka told him yes. So they start dreaming about their future. Okay, that in future we will marry, we will have a great time ahead after we get married. But then comes the twist in the story, the jhatka in the story. Suddenly they see a man approaching, and this is Nastenka's old lover, not former, ओल्ड लवर. अब उसी वक्त जिस वक्त नस्टेनका ने यस बोला टू द नैरेटर and they start imagining about their future life together, just at that moment the old lover of Nastenka returns and Nastenka immediately recognizes him. Nastenka ने बहुत दूर से, from a distance only, Nastenka recognizes the lover. This is the lover. And Nastenka runs to him. Okay, runs towards him. Nastenka उसके पास दौड़ के जाती है और उसको गले मिलती है. She runs towards him and embraces him, hugs him. The narrator is heartbroken. ये हमारा hero. He is heartbroken when he sees Nastenka and her old lover embracing together, hugging together. So he feels very depressed, sad, heartbroken completely. And he's standing alone while Nastenka leaves with her lover while the narrator is left alone. तो narrator यहाँ पे अकेला खड़ा होता है and Nastenka जो है उसके lover के साथ वहाँ से चली जाती है. Nastenka goes away with her lover. So you see, just when the narrator believes he may have found happiness, so finally after so many years the narrator's lonely life was going to end and he found happiness. Nastenka's true love returns and takes her away. Now once again the narrator is lonely. Okay, अब देखिए the following morning. अब this is the last section of the story. अब morning को, ये कहानी अभी end होने वाला है. The story is going to end now and it is a very sad ending. See what is the ending. The next moment the narrator receives a letter from Nastenka. तो next morning को, सुबह को 4 रात हो गया, 4th night को मिला झटका, right? And the following morning, next morning, the narrator receives the letter from Nastenka. तो Nastenka से narrator को एक चिट्ठी मिलता है. And she tells sorry in that letter. She apologizes for hurting him and thanks him for his kindness. तो उस चिट्ठी में लिखा था that the 4 nights that we shared together, I'm very happy, but you see my former lover returned, now I have to be with him. Okay, and I'm very sorry for hurting you. Though I told you and yes, मैंने तुमको yes बोला था, लेकिन उसी वक्त because my old lover came back, so I'm so sorry. I left you alone in the night and went away with my old lover. But I thank you for your kindness, whatever you have done to me. I'm sorry, whatever you have done for me. And that she explains that she loves the other man and has married him. So she also writes in the letter that I love the other man, that is my old lover, and I have married him. मैंने उससे शादी भी कर लिया है. So she asks the narrator to forgive her. Okay, तो हमारे हीरो को नास्टेनका बोलती है कि मुझे माफ़ कर दो, मैं तुम्हारा दिल नहीं दुखाना चाहता था. I did not wanted to hurt you, but you see that life goes on like that only. Now the narrator is deeply sad, but he does not hate Nastenka at all. आज देखिए नॉर्मल सिचुएशन में क्या होता है, एनी बॉय वुड हैव बिकम वेरी एंग्री ऑन द गर्ल if any girl would have done this. But narrator is sad, he is deeply sad. Okay, but he does not hate Nastenka. वो Nastenka से hate नहीं करते. क्यों? Instead he remembers their 4 nights together as some of the happiest moments of his life. तो वो अपना पूरा जिंदगी जी लेगा. He will live his whole life just with the thoughts of those 4 nights, just with the moments of those 4 nights. Those 4 nights were the happiest moments of his life. With this memory, he will be living his life forever. And he understands that even though his happiness lasted only for a short time, only for 4 nights. Short time matlab kya? His happiness lasted only for 4 nights. But those 4 nights' memories are precious to him. The story ends with the narrator accepting his loneliness once again. So once again, the narrator becomes lonely and he accepts his loneliness wholeheartedly. उसने अपना loneliness पूरा accept कर लिया, wholeheartedly accepted. Okay, and he's living with the memory that he shared with Nastenka. Okay, so यहाँ पे कहानी खत्म होता है. The story ends here. Okay. Now, what is the central idea of the story? The White Nights is mainly about loneliness, unfulfilled love, dreams, and brief happiness, short happiness. Okay. The narrator does not get the love he wants, but his short relationship with Nastenka gives meaning to his lonely life. नैरेटर को अपना लव तो मिला नहीं, लेकिन ये जो छोटा सा रिलेशनशिप था, 4 नाइट्स का रिलेशनशिप, 4 nights ka relationship. That is why it is called white nights. Why? Because those 4 nights that he had were white. White matlab we can say happy. Happy nights. This is my interpretation of the story. Those 4 nights were white, and white symbolizes happiness. So those 4 nights were the most memorable nights that he have had with Nastenka, and that gives meaning to his lonely life. So that is the story all about. I hope you like the story, and if you wish to say something, please say it in the comment section. Okay. I would like to end the video, but before going, please subscribe to the channel, like, share the video, follow me on Instagram, visit my website from time to time, and also subscribe to my new channel OmniGyan Shorts. With that, I would like to end. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll meet you shortly with a new story. Okay. All the best to all of you. Thank you so much.